I wanted to make a sign for a friend who recently got divorced. This is not meant to be a celebration of her divorce, but rather something to mark the start of a new chapter in her life and kind of remind her that she has people that stand behind her in making this difficult life decision. I'm a pretty firm believer that if you get married to somebody, then you should try to work through your problems. With that being said, if you try to work through your problems and you just make no progress and your partner's continually emotionally abusive, then that's probably a good indicator that it's time to move on. I had a piece of hackberry and a couple pieces of cottonwood that I thought might work well for this project, and upon asking her, she said she liked the cottonwood better. I'm going to plane these boards down to a thickness of 3/4 before I cut the images. I want to try 2 different images so that way she can pick the one she likes better. For both these images, I'll be cutting a 1/4 inch pocket to give me room for error, so that way if I mess up with the laser engraving, I can just plane that down and try again.
Break down my walls, but I will rise again, 'cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? So when I see my people fight off the evil, just know this ain't new. A picture can be framed, but every eye will see a different view. So when I hear the chants, when I hear the screams, when I see the horrible scenes, when I see the horrid things coming from human beings, I pray one day a new way will take over. What it's like to breathe life in a coma. We're so blind to the pain of the other, we must see beyond me in the struggle. Break down my walls, but I will rise again, 'cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? Compassion, empathy, open heart. I know it's hard. Some march on the boulevard, some build, some pull apart, some blame, some do their part. Bring light when we're in the dark, stuck between a rock and a hard place. Scarred face, burnt arms, it's alarming how we can't hold space for multiple truths, multiple hues. Talking about vacuums, sucked into the social chat rooms. Discuss but ain't taking no action. Thinking that you know, but it's only a fraction. How you get the answers without asking? The math ain't math. Break down my walls, but I will rise again, 'cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? So many persons hurting, but they still put the work in, and you can't try and chase things that are more uncertain than they've ever been. Submersion to open seas. Look at all these vets with PTSD, zero discernment to decipher the codes, thinking you know. Easy to eat the apple from the serpent. Media servant, regurgitate these words for what purpose? Are you adding more fuel to the flames? Will this bring change? Will this sustain? Or will this be another stain that adds to the pain? Break down my walls, but I will rise again, 'cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? Again, 'cause I stand tall in my environment. How could I ever close my eyes and stay silent since they try to take me down with their violence? But I will rise again.
I really like how both of these turned out. I am a little bit worried about that phrase that I put on there because that's something that I picked out. I just hope she doesn't hate it. My personal favorite would have to be the lotus. I think it has a really nice color scheme. The turquoise and the black complement each other really well. And I also like how sometimes the lotus can symbolize overcoming challenges to become the best version of yourself. The original idea I had for the heart was to make it solid red and then incorporate streaks of either gold or black to represent a broken heart. But I really had no confidence in my ability to pull this off, so that's why I chose this design. The only thing left to do is to let her choose which design she likes better. I'll actually make that the thumbnail for this video. And like always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.